All right, in this problem, we're going to define the discriminant of x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. And we want to know how many roots does it have. Now the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. And that's when the quadratic is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You'll notice in front of x squared here, we don't have any number written. If we don't have any number written, that number is 1. So a is 1. B is the number in front of x, so b is 4. And c is the number by itself, so c is also 4. So let's substitute these values in. So we're going to do b squared, so 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. 4 squared is 16. Minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 4. So that becomes 16 minus 16. So our discriminant equals 0. Now when the discriminant equals 0, that means we have one unique real root.